I'm Sheila Cook. I am the co-owner of Gasconade Hills Resort here in Richland, Missouri, and I am standing currently on part of the riverbed of the Gasconade River, which is right behind me. This is our access point on the resort where our guests can put boats in and take them out. Gasconade Hills Resort is tied very closely to Route 66 in proximity and in history. We are very close near the byway of the original historic Route 66, and we're also 1.5 miles off the current Highway 44, which is also Route 66. We get lots of travelers from all over the United States and other countries. The history of Gasconade Hills Resort goes back to the 1930s when it was built by Frank Jones. He built the resort, and there are some buildings that are still here from the historical portion of that original resort. We do offer tent sites. We offer RV sites. We also have glamping unit rentals as well as a variety of cabins. In our floating services, we have 4 float trips. We have a 20-mile and a 10-mile. Those are often overnight fishing float trips that we get, but our most popular is our 6-mile and our 4-mile. We have 3 types of kayaks. We have single kayaks such as this one here. We also have single kayaks that are fisherman kayaks, and then we have tandem kayaks, which are 2-seater kayaks. We also rent canoes, and we have 3 types of canoes, 2-seater, 3-seater, and cargo canoes, and we do rafts, and we have 4, 6, and 8-person rafts. Our appreciation for the outdoors is integrated into everything that we do. We have a wide array of outdoor activities, from offering floating services to camping services, partnering with other outdoors folks, such as fishing groups and Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. The beauty of the Ozarks in Pulaski County are just unparalleled, and there's so many things to do here. You can hike, you can float, you can fish, you can hunt. There's so many things, and they're all within short distance of one another. And you can schedule an appointment with us anytime and set up a reservation, and we can get you out on the water. We're on what we call our top camp of the resort. And behind me are some of our historic cabins. We actually have 5 smaller cabins here that range from an open plan to 2-bedroom, as well as our large lodge. We have our historic lodge. It is our most popular unit here at the resort. This was actually where they served chicken dinners for 75 cents. We now rent this out. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit with lots of modern conveniences, such as AC, heating, plumbing, and we have lots of games. This is a very popular unit for family reunions and social groups. So call us today to book your reservation.
Welcome to Gasconade Hills Resort. It's floating time.